Hey guys, what's up? Rug2000 here. In between episodes, I didn't really do much. I died so I could get full health, and I am going out. Going out to get some things. I also made some wooden armor, and in this episode, I want to build the second layer to my house. I want to see if I can kill a couple zombies. What is this? Avocado. Oh my gosh, I just got an avocado. Huh. I know what that is. I've never really eaten one. Well, I have. They didn't taste very good to me, but if you like avocado, good, I guess. My parents do. I know that. Okay. Huh. What is this? Is that sky stone? Okay, so it won't hurt me. What is this meteor? Well, there sure are a lot of ores here. I think I'm gonna go back and make a pickaxe. Oh yeah, and like I said, I died to regain full health. I don't know why my home marker isn't set there, but I'll go. Okay, oh, some cherries grew. That's good. I like cherries. I'm one for cherries. I'm okay with cherries. I didn't like them. Chili pepper, okra. Maybe that's good. Okay, oh, some chestnuts. I love this mod, how they grow things on trees. So cool. Okay, I'm gonna put all this food up here. And then, okay. And let's go. Hopefully we can mine this with this. And I'm bringing my wood just in case. Sorry, I kind of zoned out there for a second. I'm focusing in on a couple things. Okay, I don't know what this is. I think I want to find out. Is this anything special?
I'll still give you 20
It's like a
bucks.
good thing?
Let's see, 20 bucks for that.
Is this
20 bucks for
anything?
lunch
Really?
yesterday. 20 bucks for mailing that package for me.
I'm confused. I'm just gonna break this down because I don't really have anything to do with it. Wait, is that mod installed? Oh my gosh. I think there's a certain mod installed which might give me really, really good loot. Not sure. Maybe it was a different mod pack? I don't know. Okay, golden maca. Oh no. Is it seriously night already? How could it be night? It's turning dark. Okay, well I'm gonna run over here because I saw some apples and some plums. The apples are too far. I guess I'm just gonna be able to grab these plums and a pumpkin. Oh, what the heck, I'm already over here. Okay, this might be a really bad thing to do. Immature, okay. Come on, grab a cherry, run by cherry, and run by a couple apples. Okay, just run back to my house. That creeper, I can probably take him. I don't want him following me and then blowing up my house. So I'm gonna try to just keep him back. And then death. Okay. No. No, this isn't good. Okay, I'll grab that nutmeg. This is really bad. This is really, really bad. I should know not to do this. As soon as it starts turning dark, I should know to go right to my house. Okay, just get in. Okay, I'm in. Okay. I'm good. I am now calm. Okay, well, get rid of those and those. And I wish I had magnet mode, but I don't. Confused at what I want to do here. Up here, I think I just want to make a roof. But I don't just want to like leave this space unoccupied, so I'll fill it in. Okay there. This isn't looking bad. This isn't looking bad at all. So I'm just gonna keep building around here, there, and then put one back there. It's good, just so nothing can get up. And then I also made a double chest, that's it. I'm gonna put all of this, a water artichoke, okay. All that goes up there, and okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to keep building, because I want it up here to be protected from rain, and I'm able to see. So maybe make it like up 2 layers, yeah, like this, and that isn't where I want to build it. Yeah, I want it to be up there, so like if I see something that I really want to get at, then I can, and I will also be protected from rain. So I think that's the smartest idea. Then more things can spawn up here, but it doesn't really matter because sorry, it doesn't really matter because, well, just doesn't, because I can just like come up here and kill it because of all the iron over by that.
WindStorm.
What is this? What just happened? Oh! Rocco! Rocco! Rocco, die! Die, Rocco! Is this what a windstorm does? Get inside! Get inside! That's a wind! Oh! No! What is this? What is this? All of a sudden, just the big words windstorm just popped up on my screen. I'm really scared, and then I heard windstorm. Oh. What is this? What are those? Get back. I swear I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Get back. I don't want to hurt you. What is that? No. Wait, I got a piece of obsidian. Help. This is extremely scary. Help me. Okay, just stay calm. Just get back away from my house. Sir, please step away from the house. I have a piece of obsidian and a rock's head. A rock head. That's actually really cool. That is so cool. Scarlet rock. Okay, now I have some bones for bone meal and some obsidian, but what is this? This is... What's happening? You a boss? No. Don't get me with her. Where am I? Die! Okay, I got an enchanted chain helmet. I just gotta make it. No! Get back, Rockos! Get back, rocks! No! My sword broke! Don't drop me! No! What is this? Okay, just keep punching it. Rapid click punch. Okay, I'm dead. Just keep punching it. I probably should never have left. Okay. 7, 5. Oh, dang it. Okay, spawn. Run. No. Okay, I just need to destroy all of them. Punch them till they drop. Help me! Help! Rocco, die, Rocco, die, Rock, Help me! Help me! Help me! Help! Just keep punching him! Ow! Literally the millisecond I spawn in, I'm already in one! Help! Just keep punching it. I think this is the last one. Rapid quick punch. Just keep punching it. It's getting lower. 20. 15. 10. 8. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Yes! What? Another? What? Okay, I got some bones. Okay, just keep hitting him. What is this? Help! Help me! I'm so far above the ground, but I don't think there are many left. Okay, just keep hitting him. I think there's like this one and one more. And then I think that's it. And then I can end off this episode and say it was a success. What is WindStorm though? Is this our rocks WindStorm? I mean, I have one thing to prove I survived. I have a rock head. Okay, just keep hitting him. I will kill you. Can I just hit you now? No. Let me hit him. He only has 6 health left. Wait, can I get off somehow? Maybe these are good things. Ow. Help me, dirt. Die! Get back! Oh, I hate you. No. Stop flying me really awkward places. Stop. Look, I'm like right on my home. You can just give me a drop off here, please. Help me. I might have to start a new world because I might not ever get out of this. Hyperventilating. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, I did it. Yes, just keep hitting him. 3, 2, 1. Good. Have I done it? Did I? I've defeated them. I have defeated the rocks. Huh. I think I deserve a walnut. Huh. I've done it. Some of you may scornfully, some of you may have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rogue 2000 here. I'm gonna try to get into my house because that's like the only safe place apparently. And that even isn't true. Okay. Did I steer a rock? They didn't even spell rock right. I'm not sure if that's what they're called. I see one. I think I did. I'm good. Try to lay low. Okay. Where's my house? Okay, there's 2 more rocks. Another rock's head. No! Not again! Get away! How come there's like all of them near my house? Okay, thank you. Okay. Get in my house, I'm gonna go cry. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I thought that was a rock in my house. But seriously, where'd I die? Drag me up somewhere over here. Okay. Keep trying to find loot. Okay, got a bone. And got that. Okay. I think they're gone. WindStorm. Okay, everyone. #hate WindStorm. Man, I cannot imagine if an ant spawned right there. Okay, note to self. If see WindStorm on screen, if the big word WindStorm pops up on the screen, get in your house and pretend nothing is happening. Well, thank you guys for watching Rug 2000 here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the second episode of Mad Pack 2. See you guys next time. Bye.